So today we're doing another upgrade for my room, and this has been kind of a journey, just getting this room installed, you know, this console creation corner over here, storage, all of this U-desk, and then my main rig right here, kind of getting everything where I would like for it to be. But ArrowZoom actually sent out something that I know I've been needing to do to this room, and we're going to do it specifically for one wall, and that's actually adding some sound treatment. So ArrowZoom sent over 36 of their Hexagon sound panels. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you the install, kind of put them on the wall, and kind of go from there. We'll do a sound test before and after they go on the wall. I have fan going, and I even have an air conditioner installed on the window, so I'll do the sound test with and without. We'll kind of see how it goes. Oh, and the camera, let me just go ahead and say, what do you think of the video from this camera? Comment down below. This is the Sony ZV-1F, which most people were like promoting as a vlog camera. This lives as a locked down camera for my A-roll. This is actually my webcam, and it's kind of an overpriced webcam, but what do you think of it? This is all intelligent auto, nothing crazy, no white balance correction, nothing. I think it's a pretty good camera. It just locked onto my mouth for some reason. Anyway. Let's put some sound panels up. So what I'm gonna do is actually, we have a lapel mic. I'm gonna be quiet, and then I'm gonna also turn on the air conditioner, and we're gonna kind of do this from one part of the room, and so you can get some sound samples before and after. See if we hear a big difference in sound, and you guys can comment below. So I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet and let you hear what it sounds like. All right, that was the noise floor, and with air conditioner on. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys, one thing about this air conditioner remote to do it, it always changes my RGB on my stuff. I don't know. Back to pink. Pink, purple? What color is that? Is that purple or pink? Is that pink or purple? Let's install them. We're putting them on this wall. This actually is my lockdown shot for my A-roll. It sits kind of over here. There's a PC in the way right now, but it shoots at that wall, and I kind of want it to be the focus here. So let's install it. I'm just gonna set you guys up and let you just continuously record, and you can see the install as we go through, so let's do that. So if you're trying to see the way one of these works, they actually send with these Hexagon panels, the link for this will be in the description below, but they have some adhesive that peels off the back of these, and there's already some sticky on the back. They did send some sticky applications, but for some reason they only sent one side, just the felt side of like doing Velcro, and not the other side. So we're gonna see how long these stay up with this. We might have to have a more permanent solution later. Let's see what they look like. I think we're gonna have to get a step stool. Oh, okay, so I have no clue if this is backwards or not. If it is, I'll flip it in post, but here is what we got. That is not all the panels. We still have a few more, and as you can see, we have that many more. The design changed mid-go, and that's partly my fault, and partly the fact that not all of these tiles are exactly the same. So what you'll see is, here is the D of DC, and right here, there's a panel that's missing. But by the time I got down here, as you can see, I had space. So I didn't know exactly what to do here. And I didn't want to kind of leave it open-ended. So I thought about sticking the tile here and cutting a piece off and just putting it right there so that it connects. Because I feel like it needs to connect. Like I should take the blue, stick it there and cut a piece and put it there so it actually fills in the gap. I might just leave it open. I feel like it needs to be closed though. I feel like it needs this. I feel like it needs this tile right there. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I changed the design of the C mid-go. It actually had more of a curve in it, but I wanted it to feel like these could just and slide right into each other if they wanted to.
That's what she said.
I'm not really sure yet, because also at that same case, the corner is not going to be the same because it's not a straight piece. So I basically have to destroy one to cut that piece to put on there. Anyway, oh, another thing, these things, I did not expect them to be as adhesive as they are, but holy crap, these things stuck. Like, I tried grabbing one to peel, and that's a lot of force. So I do not think that they're coming off the wall anytime soon. And I actually had to move one that I had put in the wrong spot down, and it left residue. I'll have to get that off the wall, but it didn't damage the wall. And I think with a little bit of heat or something, it could come off without damaging the wall. But I have all these tiles left over, and I think I'm gonna use to make kind of these other little pieces. I found a design. Here, let me flip this around so I can see what I'm about to show you. I found a design while I was setting up after I made an ubu mistake where I could take them, line them up like this, and basically make a Triforce in the center. So I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can make basically like a design like this and have a bunch of little Triforce pieces all over the place. And my goal was to actually use that. I was thinking about putting it above this, but I kind of want to do something else. But I have this big blank wall and it echoes like, but I'm hearing the echo right now. So I'm thinking about just centering it right here for now. We'll see how I like that in the future, but for now, that's what we're gonna do. So let me figure all that out and we'll come back in a moment. Now we have officially put them all up on. Say hello, Hudson. No! Okay, so they're finally up. The air is on, everything, but I will say there is, there is a noticeable difference. I have to say, there is a noticeable difference. Let me show you the final design because I made an alteration. So, here, this is the final. He sounds like a velociraptor from like Jurassic Park. So here's the change. I made an adjustment to the D. It makes it definitely less hexagonal, but definitely is a D now, which is totally fine with me. And I took the rest of them, and to solve the problem, I made this little bitty hexagon thing right here that's just gonna be there. But the truth is, it looks pretty plain, but the goal is to take some of my shirts from TwitchCon that I got. I'm gonna hang them kind of underneath here to also add some baffling. But I wanted to make like this little Triforce thing. So, all right, I'm gonna...
Hey, Dave!
What's up, buddy? Which one?
TB.
You know the TB?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be quiet, and Hudson, we're gonna shh for just a second.
I don't like quiet more.
All right, I'm gonna be quiet for just a second. This is with the air conditioner on, and I'll turn it off. Ready? When you live in a house, you have dogs as well as a 4-year-old. All right, I'm gonna turn the air conditioner off. We're gonna be quiet. So overall, something I found out was these things are really sticky. So I do think, oh, and I cut some of them to make them do this, to kind of solve this problem. And it was kind of difficult to cut through. So really thick foam. Anyway, I do think they look great. I think it's gonna be a really nice addition to the shot. That's gonna be from this direction. You'll be able to see that DC on the wall. But I do also think that for the price, I can't remember what this was, for the cost for these little hexagon panels, they're pretty awesome. I do wish I got a bunch more. All right, I'm gonna go feed my son. Y'all have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hudson, you wanna say bye-bye?